I've said this before, but I've always been struck by when the narrations that the Prophet, when he receives Surah Al-Alaq, and he is understandably, very shaken, and he goes home and talks to Khadija, his wife, and she encourages him and so on. And when he tells her, I fear that I'm losing my mind, and she answers, and I'm always struck by her reasoning as to why God would never fail him. She says, إنك لتصل الرحم وتحمل الكل وتكسب المعدوم وتقري الضيف وتعين على نوائب الحق. That you are تصل الرحم, you honor your relatives. تحمل الكل, that you carry sustenance to those who need it. وتكسب المعدوم, and you always help the indigent. وتقري الضيف, and you are always generous and kind to guests. وتعين على نوائب الحق, or تعين على نوائب الظهر, depending on the version, and you always help and aid people when they are in need. Her whole reasoning as to why God can never fail Muhammad are all downright ethical precepts, intuitively understood and comprehended in ethical values. That is a profound indication that when that so much of virtue and ethics are intuitively known, confirmed by God. God didn't come to construct a legalistically based system of ethics. It is law was supposed to affirm intuitively known and comprehended system of ethics.